Okay, today is February 6, 2011. My name is V-Tran. Hi. I'm going to show you how to do the Rubik's Cube 3x3. Okay. First is scramble it up however way you want to. Okay, and this is what I learned overseas, a Vietnamese style. Of course, there are many ways to do this thing. Okay, as you see, it's all mixed up now. First thing you need to do is to get one plane, one color, and then the first tier. This is free form and there's no way if we choose him or something to write down in formulas. Okay, I'll just do it, and then after that you add the second tier and then the third tier at the bottom. Okay, the whole process will take about 3 minutes because I'm kind of rusty, haven't done it for a while. In this case, I'm going to pick the white color as my platform. So you got one, the side and the top now. Actually, now I got one size and one level. Okay, now I'm going to line up the middle piece, red, blue, orange, and green. Okay, now I'm going to get the side piece. Now I'm looking for this piece for orange and green, which is here. Orange and green will go here. Okay, got that in. And look for this one and so forth. Okay, we got one plane and two tiers now. And you see. Now I'm going to look for the T they call, which is the middle piece for the third tier to line up. Okay. Okay, we got the tier. Okay, now look for the corner piece to line up. Okay. Now you see this piece with the right color but are in the wrong plane. You just line up the one parallel to the right, do a double T. Now we got one plane and all that. Now I do another double T. Now you got it. 6 plane. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.